Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. I have found this set of 4 square rulers by ZICALSO. You will love these. I love this set of 4 rulers. It covers everything I need, 12.5 square, 9.5, 6, and 4.5. It's really good sturdy quality and very clear numbering for left and right-handers. I enjoyed crafting and I had so much fun with these rulers, making a kid's reversible tote bag. I made sure to remove the protective film from each ruler and then added the handy rings to keep the ruler from slipping on the fabric. It was then smooth cutting from here on out, and my little project was easy peasy with these amazing square rulers by ZICALSO. I am looking forward to using them on all my projects. I just love the ease of them. They will make everything really smooth. You can just imagine the quilting projects you can have. So make sure you include these handy 4 square quilting rulers to your craft room. You will love them. We highly recommend them, and that's just my point of view.